Nice to see you guys. Today we'll be creating a file upload system in PHP. And for that we'll need to have two files. Number one, index.html, which will have the form for uploading files, and second, upload.php, which will be handling and saving all our uploaded files. And that will be super easy. So let's start coding. Now let's begin by writing. We're skipping doc types, HTML body and head tags. We're strictly going to write the form element, which will have three different attributes. That is action, method, and type. Action will define where the form will be submitted. That is the upload.php here. Moving to the second attribute, that is method. It will define how the form data will be submitted. As we are creating a file upload, then we have to submit the data in the post. Now finally, the last attribute, that's type. It will define the encoding of the data that will be submitted, and it's necessary to use, else it will not work. And type always has multi-part form data value when creating a file upload. Now let's add some inputs to the form element that we have created. And we're gonna add an input type file element, and we'll give it a name, which will be file_upload. And then we'll create a button that will submit the form. Button, type, submit, and then we are done. It was our HTML part. And then we will be going to the PHP, but before that we'll be checking out the output. And what will it show? Okay, as you can see, it's done. The choose file button is created by input type file, and let's upload button is created by the button element. And now let's select a file that we're gonna upload, and we are done. Now we'll be moving to the PHP, where we'll be handling these uploads. So let's do it. Now let's begin by writing our PHP codes, but before that, all we need to do is to submit the form that we have created in our HTML part, and then we'll be writing the PHP. So what are we waiting for? Let's submit it and go to our PHP section. Now the form is submitted, and let's begin by writing. The first question rises, how can I access those files? All those files that are uploaded are stored in files super global. Let's try it by printing that out. So print our $files super global, and we're done. As you can see, we have an associative array. Number one array consists of the $files. Second array, that's file upload, the name to the input that we gave in the HTML part, and then it contains subparts, that is name, size, temp name, and etc. etc. Now let's move these files from temp directory to anywhere else, and for this we have to use move uploaded file function. Move uploaded file accepts two arguments. First argument requires the temp name of the file that we have uploaded, and second, the location where we have to save the file. And that's it. It requires only two arguments, and it's only applicable for files that are uploaded, not for anything else. So let's write the first argument value, that is super global files, as it's an associative array, and then we're going to write the file underscore upload, the name that was given to the input, and finally in another square bracket we're going to write the temp name. It's really important because it defines the source of the file that we have to move. And now we have successfully given the value of the first argument. Now we are moving to the second one, where it accepts the value of directory where we're going to upload with the file name. And now let's do it. And we're not specifying directory name because we want to upload the file where the uploaded PHP resides. So we're simply gonna take the name of the uploaded files, that is $file super global file upload associative array inside it, and the name key. And now we are done. Let's reload and our file will be uploaded. Now as you can see, we have got the image here with the same name. You can even try it by changing directories. It's all up to you. Now let's upload another file, that is jQuery and we are done. As you can see, we've got the file again. Now you can just try uploading as much as you want, as long as the configuration is okay in the PHP INI and max upload size don't exceed. Now we are done. It was so simple, like nothing. And we hope you liked it, and if you want a tutorial on multiple file upload, you can just comment below. We hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe us for more. Don't forget to watch our previous tutorial, and make sure to follow us on Google Plus and Facebook.